City doing?
Yeah, it's good. I'm just setting up some speakers. It's kind of noisy outside, though.
Oh, you get used to it in a couple of days.
Yeah, I hope you're right.
Alright, well, I gotta go. See you later, alligator.
In a while, crocodile. Well, I guess the only thing left to do today is to go to bed as averagely and as normal as possible. Meow. Oh, hey, a cat. Meow. Meow. It's kind of annoying. Meow. Meow.
Hey, how's it going? Where are you? No, I'm in the city.
Get off your phone!
No, right by... No, okay, go to... Once you get in the middle of town... Hey, you Big John?
Yeah, I'm Big John. You Snoopy?
Yeah, I'm Snoopy. You got the junk?
I got the junk. You got the trunk?
I'm not showing you the trunk until you show me the junk.
Fine. Here's the junk. Hey, you wearing a wire? What? You got that wrong. This kid's wearing a wire. Wearing a wire? He's wearing a wire. Hey, son of a...
Oh my god. Meow. Meow. Meow! You like that? Meow! Meow. God damn it. Someone just kill that cat. Oh, okay.
Everyone, welcome to the Random 2 AM Street Party! Yeah!
What the hell? Finally.
Who's ready for the after party?
God damn it.
Yeah. This one goes out to all them fine bitches out there.
Finally, I can sleep. Done.
Hey, we thought you guys could use a little extra entertainment, so we threw this little extra skit. Ben, stop doing that. We threw this little extra skit onto the end to entertain y'all. It's a little banter between me doing this cool voice and Ben, who is, like, raping Michael's bed backwards right now. But anyway, here's a skit. Me and Ben, watch it. It's funny. Go. Hey, kid.
What?
Yeah, you in the Beatle t-shirt.
Who?
Kid, Beatle t-shirt, talking to himself. Red shorts, over here. I gotta talk to you.
That could be anybody.
What do you mean that could be anybody? I'm talking to you specifically.
Yeah, but there could be other people in this room.
but you're answering my question, so you clearly know that I'm talking to you.
Do I?
Yes, you do.
I don't think I do.
Kid, I can hear you from here. I know you can hear me. So unless you're on some sort of drugs that I don't know about, you should be answering my questions, kid. Why are you laughing?
I don't know.
I gotta talk to you. Me and my friends gotta talk to you about some bitch-related issues.
What would those be?
You look like you're under a lot of stress, kid. Maybe you pay $50 to get your dick sucked. That's how it works here, all right? You in? It's not that funny. It's a serious business, kid.
Alright, I still don't know who you're talking to.
You, the kid who's answering my questions, would be the kid I'm talking to. That makes sense to me. $50, happy ending. That's all I'm saying. You in?
But I don't have $50 and I don't even know if you're talking to me.
Okay, we're gonna go through this one more time. Kid in the red shorts. That's you, right? You see anyone else wearing red shorts? Because I sure don't. Looking around, I don't see anyone else with red shorts and a Beatle t-shirt. I see you. You look stressed. You look like your penis could use some suckling. That's all I'm saying. I got some fine friends. Do that, $50. That's all I'm saying. Just laying that right on too.
Well, I am very stressed.
So, you want to do it?
Who are you talking to?
You. I'm talking to you.